Okay, a quick one. So Netanyahu started bombing Iran, saying that he's targeting nuclear sites, right? Because he says they're busy building a bomb, and we know they're not building a nuclear bomb, but that's fine. And he goes there and start bombing the nuclear sites, and they can't penetrate them because the facilities are actually buried underground. So the munitions they're using are not able to destroy the Iranian nuclear sites. They can only bomb the crust just there at the top, but underground they can't get there. And now because they are failing to do that, they are bombing hospitals, they are bombing civilian infrastructure, they are bombing research institutes, they're targeting civilians, bombing apartments and residential areas. What's that? What's that about? Are we gonna be next? We don't even have Iron Dome here in South Africa. The point is, now Netanyahu failed to destroy Iranian nuclear sites. He's bombing people. What's the end game? What is the end game? What is it going to take the world to stand up and just say no, especially those leaders in the West? Or is this one of those wars that they always wanted to do to challenge China? We know what Iranian oil can do or has been doing. We know the story of Iranian oil. It's being exported to China, and that's fueling China's economy. That's challenging American dominance. And America doesn't like that, and they have to stop it by bombing who? Iran, because Iran is the source of the oil. So Iranian oil accounted to 91% of Chinese imports as of 2024. So do you understand what's cooking? Clearly, Netanyahu was not looking for nuclear facilities. He didn't go there aiming to destroy those things. He had other motives. And they really have to tell us what exactly are the motives, because it looks scary, guys. And Iran is not stopping to send ballistic missiles to Tel Aviv and Haifa. And it's not looking good because those pictures coming out of Haifa are scary. I understand things are still going on in Gaza, and people sort of almost forgot about Gaza. But Gaza is still being bombarded and being bombed as we speak. It didn't stop, and people are still getting bombed and killed because they're bombing tents. Imagine, they're hungry. They bomb tents where people are trying to hide because buildings are destroyed everywhere. What's going to take the world to stand up to this messianic, psychopathic behavior that